lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally This TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove your black spots, remove your pimple, and have a good moisturizing skin or face using Vaseline, Colgate, and lemon. Lemon is full of vitamin C that helps in removing any black heads, any black spots on our face, and with the blue seal Vaseline helps in moisturizing the skin, prevents any damage, any wrinkles on our face, and with this Colgate helps in closing down pores. Yes, to give us a firm face. Now, before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime there is an upload. Yes. Alright, so let's get into the video. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take some small amount of the Colgate, not much, the Colgate into the plate, then take also just some few, which is more than the Colgate of the Vaseline. This is so simple and so easy to do. So this is the consistency I've got. So I'm going ahead to squeeze some few spoons of, let me take off. Then go ahead, then you mix them all together. If your mixture becomes so washy, you can add little of the Vaseline to it. Then, so make sure you mix them well. Sorry, this will be faster. So that's what we have right now. Just stay tuned to see how I'm going to apply it on my skin. This is with immediate. Okay guys, so that's my face in the morning. As you can see, most of my black spots are fading. Yes, and my pimple, it's been a very long time I had a glowing face like this, so I decided to show you this method of removing your black spots, your black heads or white heads, and also having a wrinkled free face. So now, without further ado, let's get into the application. The application method is 4 times in a week. Yes, 4 times in a week. You don't use it always. Alright, so we are done. As you can see, I'm going to wait for about 30 minutes, then I'll go and take my shower. So we are already into it, and this is what we use today: lemon and blue seal Vaseline. What it can do to our skin. Right,